Hi everyone, welcome to Metaphor Consulting Learning Channel. Today we are trying to learn about SAP and its job opportunity towards the leading ERP package. Before going ahead, let's have a quick introduction about myself. My name is Manoj Kumar. Having more than 15 years of smart IT experience in SAP profile, I executed many projects in domestic as well as international guideline. Currently, I am playing the role of freelancing. This is a small brief about my career profile. So let's quickly check about SAP and the SAP features available towards the globe. So in the today forum, we are trying to cover what is SAP? Is SAP help to make career? What is the salary package available in SAP profile? Where we can apply for SAP job? What should be the eligibility for doing SAP courses? And finally, we have to summarize. So let me start one after another. Initially, we'll be start with what is SAP. My dear friends, SAP is a German-based ERP package. It stands for System Application Product in Data Processing. You can consider it as the meaning of SAP, full form of SAP, what it stands for. Here I am going to highlight one thing. Many of our friends, by knowingly or unknowingly, wrongly pronounce SAP instead of SAP. Here I just have to correct those. Instead of saying SAP, have to correctly pronounce as SAP. SAP is a German-based ERP package. In terms of German language, there is no meaning of SAP. However, there is a right and appropriate meaning of every alphabet which is consist inside SAP. So let me focus more details about SAP. These three alphabet S, A and P is leading the world market. S stands for system, A stands for application, and finally P stands for product in data processing. The first alphabet S stands for system, which contains the hardware component. That means the hardware which is required to run the ERP package, the hardware which is required to access or operate the SAP ERP comes under your system. Now coming to the segment of application. In segment of application, it comes under your software profile. There is a software is always required to run the complete application along with the hardware, and that software in SAP is called it as ABAP. ABAP. A stands for advanced, B stands for business, A stands for application, and P stands for programming, which is called it as advanced business application programming. And finally, P is the alphabet, which is the advanced one. Genuinely, IT, information technology, consists with two different hand. One is called your hardware and another one is called your software. But SAP is a such kind of ERP package which is run along with the two hand of IT and have some more amendment feature with a advanced platform. That advance is nothing called your product in data processing. Product stands for ERP product. So SAP is a ERP product. Now data, in terms of data means while SAP is going to be executed or run or operate in any of the organization, that time that organizational data should be in the secured while the data or business transaction is performed. And finally the processing. Few times before I used one word called the business transaction. So same business transaction comes under your processing. The meaning of product in data processing is it's a such kind of ERP package which can secure the organizational data at the time of business event or business transaction. However, I can repeat, there is no meaning of SAP in German language. Hope my dear friends can understand the difference between SAP and SAP. Now jumping to next, is SAP helps to make career. In terms of career, today we are consider it as job opportunity. Many of our friends is asking, if we are going to do SAP course, can I get a job? For those, I just have to give a clarity how a profile is going to get a job quickly. On the screen, you can see there is a beautiful diagram is being available which can cover to understand how to get a job quickly in SAP profile. For getting a job, the educational qualification is definitely required. Along with that, the professional course is must. If you have the educational qualification and proper professional course, then definitely you will get a job. To understand better, there is a correlation is presented on screen with a suitable example. If you are trying to visit a new country, then you require passport, which is the bare minimum requirement. Based on the passport, require the visa. Without visa, you cannot get inside to that new country. So there should be a bare minimum requirement which is called it as your passport, and mandatory is called the visa. Here in terms of visa, there is another point I am trying to highlight. Let's suppose you are trying to visit US and you have the visa of Indonesia, so you cannot able to get inside in US. So you have right visa in your hand, then in that case you can get inside to that specific country. Similarly, whenever you are trying to apply for job, you have the right professional course in your hand, then in that case you can able to get a job. Otherwise it will be very difficult to grab the job in this current market. Now in SAP, the job opportunities are huge. As looking towards the current era, SAP is giving plenty of job opportunity across the globe. I am considering across the globe means India, where I am situated, as well as the worldwide level. Here in the graph wise, we are presenting the data structure of job opportunity in a percentage wise. Since Metaphor Consulting is persist into the market from 2013, so we are picking the figure of 2013 up to 2018. However, in the 2020, but we are taking the figure of 2018 so that you guys can able to understand better. On an average, if you are going to see, you will be find it out. 80% of job in India is available in SAP profile. However, in the globe, it is more than that. Since it is a leading ERP package and available in each and every industry, so the job opportunity towards this ERP package is huge. So this is about a job opportunity. Now you guys can able to decide that yes, this is the suitable one or not. Now moving next, what should be the salary package if you are going to be select in SAP profile? In terms of salary package, we are segregated into two parts. One is called your fresher and another one is called your experience. So fresher profile again fragmented into the three different educational background. One is called your simple graduate, those who are comes under your BSc, BA, like that. Second one is being segregated like technical graduate, means BE, BTech, like that only. And third one is called your master graduate, called MBA, MCA, like those category. So for freshers, the salary package will be started from 1.8 to 2.4 for graduate. For technical graduate, 2.2 to 3.0 LPA, means lakhs per annum. And for master graduate, it should be 2.5 to 3.2 LPA, lakhs per annum. On an average, the fresher package is available at pan India level in 2.2 to 3.0 LPA. Similarly, the experience profile we are segregating into two parts, that is 3 to 5 years of experience and 5 to 9 years of experience. And the salary structure is clearly available in the table chart. You guys can able to find it. One thing you can able to remind, salary factor depends on your potential, caliberity, deliverables. Definitely, it is also depends on the location of the organization and the company profile. Now moving to next, where can apply for SAP job? That is also important. So SAP is a such kind of ERP package which is running in various industries. As we already cover, SAP is providing the job opportunities in India near about 80%, and in globe it's more than that. That means each and every industry is currently running with SAP. In this dashboard, we are trying to explain you what are the industries is being used SAP and where you can apply for the job opportunity in the near future. The industries like manufacturing industries, there are various kind of manufacturing industries are available. The good names are Tata, means Tata Steel, Tata Motors, then Birla Tires, Birla Group, Mittal, Jindal, these are comes under your manufacturing industry. Then comes to the repetitive industry. Repetitive industry in terms of your Coca-Cola company, is your Sprite. So these are comes under your repetitive industry. Comes to the process industry. Pharmaceutical industries are comes under your process industry. Like your paracetamol tablet manufacturer are using the SAP in their company. Comes to your retail industry like Big Bazaar, Garuda Mall, available in Bangalore location. So those are using SAP in their organization. Now coming to the aerospace industry, Lockheed Martin is using SAP. Now coming to the bank sector, which is called your banking sector, ICICI, SBI, these are comes under your banking sector. They are using SAP. The important part is called your corporate industry, which is called it as a corporate sector. All IT companies are comes under your corporate sector like IBM, Accenture, Capgemini, ILFS. These are all comes under your corporate sector. Now comes to the government. This is another charm which I am going to be intimate to all of you. Nowadays, government is slowly adequating the SAP. Nowadays, Indian Railway is running with SAP platform. So overall, if you are going to be look at all industries are running SAP in their hand. So if you are going to do the SAP course, or if you have the good knowledge in SAP, or else if you have the experience in SAP profile, then definitely you can apply job for these many industries. Now moving to next, what should be the eligibility to do the SAP course? Those who are the freshers, those who are the experienced and newcomers trying to learn SAP, then definitely they can move ahead. I can able to confirm you there is a bright future in SAP today as well as tomorrow. Let's discuss the eligibility to learn SAP. In this table chart, we are clearly mentioned which of the SAP module is preferable most for the educational prospect. However, we are trying to capture almost all, but it is quite impossible to capture everything in a single slide. We are trying the maximum information over here. We are segregating graduate, master graduate, engineers, as well as master degrees and postgraduate, through which we are clearly intimated that what are the modules are available and suitable for them and which one is the preferable most. However, for more details, you can reach us at any time. We can guide you the right path. Now jumping to next. Let's conclude with summary and next steps. Stay connected with us for further updates, more information and valuable inputs. Organization Metaphor Consulting also facilitate SAP training in live server. We are providing SAP in ECC 6.0, HANA platform as well as SAP S4 HANA platform. The detailed information is available in the presented screen with a tabular form. Anyone is going to be interested to enhance your career set towards SAP profile as a beginner, as an expert one, they can reach to us. Our dedicated team is going to help you in this regard. The best part of organization is those who are enrolled in our training program, they can able to get 100% placement assistance through the organization. That means we are providing campus placement to our trained student. Coming to next, Metaphor Consulting also facilitate the live project towards the open market. The project is available in ACC 6.0, also available in SAP S/4HANA. We have the support, upgrade, rollout and implementation project in our hand. Those who are interested to learn live project, definitely connect with us. We will help you soon. Stay connected with us and drive your career journey with Metaphor Consulting experience. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. I hope this information is giving a value addition to take the right decision towards your career path. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share. If you subscribe, then you will be get the more and more valuable information published by Metaphor Consulting in near future. Once you like, will be motivated and able to help you in this regard. Once you share, by knowingly or unknowingly, this information is helping to others. Thank you guys. Thanks for your precious time. We hope this information will help you to take the right decision. Thanks a lot. Thank you.